Hi everyone, Vinny here. Check this out. 6,000 miles, 6 weeks, 9 states. This tiny power station, the UDPOWER S1200, was my absolute MVP on this cross-country trip. Now look, we all love the big boys, right? The 2000 watt Delta 2 Max that can practically run your house. But let's be real, when you are actually living out of your van or truck, lugging one of those monsters around is no fun. It's just too much work. For 90% of my daily van life, especially the cooking and editing, I need something that didn't feel like a small anchor. I was looking for the perfect balance between power and portability. And that's where the S1200 came in. This thing is only 26 pounds, so much lighter than my other two power stations. That flat top and folding handle means I can grab it, take it out of my van and set up my kitchen down to the picnic table, or take it to the lake without straining my back. That flexibility is huge. I brought my 3 stations, the big EcoFlow Delta 2 Max, the mid-size Vitoman Flash 1500, and this little underdog. I never heard of this brand before, and here's the unexpected part. After 6 weeks of testing, the UDPOWER earns the spot as my daily driver. Let's dive into why. With its 1190 watt-hour capacity, the S1200 handles my 600 watt electric port easily. We are talking quick, hot foot, so I could get filled up and hit the hiking trails. We spent a lot of time up here hiking to these incredible glacier lakes, but when I got back, it was time for work. The S1200 easily ran my laptop and my cell signal boosters simultaneously. Plus, I love having the wireless charging on the flat top. Just drop your phone there and you are good to go. Lunchtime. Today it was a quick chicken stir fry with some noodle and broccoli. Nothing crazy, but it proves the point. This power station provides sustained, reliable output day after day for standard appliance. It never stumbles. Now this is where things get interesting. Dinner at sunset. I picked up some beautiful Alaska cod and decided to bake it right inside the van since the wind was howling and getting cold. I brought this 1150 watt 4-slice toaster oven, not just to make toast, but to bake the fish. In 20 minutes, my dinner will be ready. How cool is that? The S1200 is rated for 1200 watt AC output, so we are already pushing the red line. But I got a little ambitious. I want to cook some vegetables in the electric pot at the same time. Quick math, 1150 plus 600 is 1750 watts. Way over the limit. Even when I dropped the pot down to the 300 watt lower settings for warming, the total draw was still massive. But guess what? The S1200 didn't even blink. It handled the whole thing without tripping. As stated in their spec, this bad boy can handle up to 1800 watt. This, my friends, is why this little unit is king. It consistently delivers more power than its rating when I need it to make a complex, fresh canned meal. It's got the brains and the brawn to handle real camp life. Full disclosure, UDPOWER sent me the S1200 for review and testing, but this video is not sponsored. I can say whatever I want, and I'm sharing my honest opinion. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world gear tests. Let me know in the comments if you have experience with the S1200. What appliance would you run on the S1200? So let's quickly talk specs. The UDPOWER S1200 packs 1190 watt-hour into a really compact size. That rectangular shape is a lifesaver for storing away in tight van cabinets. You got 15 outlets, all conveniently right here on the front. It uses 4000 per cycle durable lithium iron phosphate battery and even has a 10 millisecond prograde UPS function, which means if you are running a sensitive laptop, it's instantly protected during a power outage. Now a quick con. I found the built-in LED light was pointing straight up. When you are using this thing at night and need to look at the screen, that light definitely blinds you. I much prefer it to point horizontally so you can actually see what you're doing. But aside from that minor flaw, the final verdict after 6,000 miles? For me, the UDPOWER S1200 is the ultimate mid-size camping power station. It is light, easy to use, powerful enough to run my entire camp kitchen and my 1150 watt vacuum cleaner for cleanup. Now here's a pro tip to wrap up. For those who want more juice for longer trips, you can connect any inexpensive 12-volt external lithium battery, like this 100 mAh mini battery, directly to the S1200 using an XT60 cable. The S1200 will charge from that external battery while you continue to power your device simultaneously. It is a cheap and easy way to double your capacity without buying a whole new heavy unit. If you are looking to focus on cooking and daily essentials without the weight of a 2000 watt-hour unit, this is the one to beat. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road.